If you're looking for a peanut butter cookie this season, I have the recipe for you, especially if you're like me and you don't want peanut butter cookies that don't taste like peanut butter. You want them to be in your face, real peanut butter cookies. And this is the recipe. By the way, it's only 5 ingredients. So the first and most important ingredient of all is peanut butter. I have just plain old, regular, smooth peanut butter. You don't want any fancy stuff. Don't do the all natural kind. Just peanut butter in a bowl. And then you're going to add to it some plain granulated white sugar. And you want to add in 1 egg right in there. This is a flourless recipe, which is pretty cool. You don't need any flour. You don't even notice that the flour isn't there. Those are the 3 ingredients that are standard in a lot of 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies, but I find that adding these 2 extra ingredients make all the difference. They make them so much better. So I have some light brown sugar here that I'm gonna add right in, and the light brown sugar is going to make these cookies taste a little bit more complex, and it's going to make these cookies nice and soft. It's the key ingredient. And then I just have a tiny bit of vanilla extract, and a tiny bit goes a long way. It just adds another flavor dimension to the whole thing. And then I just take my spoon and I mix it all together. So it's coming together. This is exactly what we want. There's no secret here. You just keep stirring until everything looks combined, and that's it for your dough. If this didn't have an egg in it, there would be no way that I wouldn't eat the entire bowl. And Eric, I think you can vouch for me for that, because I want it. Willpower. So I take my little tablespoon measure, and I'm going to get about a tablespoon of dough, just like that. And then I'm going to take it out with my fingers, and I'm just going to roll it into a little ball and place it right on my baking sheet that's nicely greased so our cookies don't stick to the baking sheet. The last cookie is a monster. It's gonna be all mine. So the final step is just take a fork and you're going to make a little crisscross shape and push them down a bit. So you wanna go down just about to the thickness that you like your cookie to be. Just like that, and then push it down. And it'll look nice and pretty, and it'll also stay about that thickness when it bakes. The final one. They're ready to bake at 350 degrees for about 8 minutes until they're just set. See you then. Cookie time. Perfection. A hot cookie for me. Look. Oh, so soft. Oh my. Those are so ridiculous. So peanut buttery. Exactly how a peanut butter cookie should be. No less. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Can I eat this raw? Like, I honestly don't even care.
No.